How to connect Discord account to League of Legends. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to connect Discord account to League of Legends. So first of all, just simply open the Discord account, and after that just log into your account using your credentials and click on the profile section from the bottom right corner of the mobile screen, and from there just locate the settings option from the top right corner. And over here under the account settings, you will be able to see the option called connections. Just simply tap on it and click on the add section from the top right again. And over here just simply scroll down and you will be able to see the option called League of Legends. Just simply tap on it in order to connect both of them successfully. And just simply log into your League of Legends account while entering your username and password, and after that you will be able to see the option called continue. Just simply tap on it and your Discord and your League of Legends will be connected quite successfully. So this is basically how simple it is to connect Discord account to League of Legends. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.